5 best pet dropshipping suppliers in the USA. The pet niche is a booming industry, with millions of pet owners across the USA looking for high-quality products for their furry, feathery, or scaly companions. From toys and grooming supplies to pet food and accessories, this market offers fantastic opportunities for dropshipping businesses. But to succeed, you need reliable suppliers offering premium products and fast shipping. In today's video, we're sharing the 5 best pet dropshipping suppliers in the USA to help you build a thriving pet-focused business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best pet dropshipping suppliers in the USA. Whether you specialize in products for dogs, cats, or exotic pets, these suppliers will help you source top-tier items and deliver an amazing shopping experience to your customers. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our supplier reviews, strategies, and e-commerce tips. Let's get started. At number 5, Pet Stores USA. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Pet Stores USA, a trusted name in the pet supplies industry. What they offer? Pet Stores USA provides a wide variety of pet products, including toys, grooming tools, pet beds, and feeding supplies. Why they're great for dropshipping? They work exclusively with dropshippers and handle inventory and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on sales and marketing. Fast shipping. With warehouses in the USA, they offer fast delivery to customers across the country. If you're looking for a reliable supplier with a vast catalog of pet essentials, Pet Stores USA is a fantastic choice. At number 4, Essential Pet Products. Coming in at number 4 is Essential Pet Products, a supplier specializing in high-quality pet items. What they offer? Essential Pet Products carries a diverse range of pet supplies, including leashes, training equipment, pet furniture, and more. Why they're popular? Their dropshipping program offers seamless order fulfillment and low wholesale prices, giving you great profit margins. User-friendly platform. They make it easy to browse products, place orders, and track shipments. If you're targeting pet owners looking for premium products, Essential Pet Products is a great supplier to work with. At number 3, Synki Marketplace. Next up at number 3 is Synki Marketplace, a dropshipping platform that connects you with USA-based pet suppliers. What they offer? Synki features pet products such as toys, grooming items, apparel, and even eco-friendly pet supplies. Why it's great for dropshipping? Synki integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making product imports and order management a breeze. Fast fulfillment. Many of their suppliers are based in the USA, ensuring fast delivery for your customers. If you're looking for variety and easy integration, Synki Marketplace is a must-try platform for your pet dropshipping business. At number 2, WholesalePet.com. Coming in at number 2 is WholesalePet.com, a supplier that specializes in boutique pet products. What they offer? WholesalePet.com offers unique high-end pet items, including handmade toys, gourmet pet treats, and luxury pet beds. Why they're great for dropshipping? Their premium products appeal to pet owners willing to pay extra for quality, helping you target a higher margin audience. Exclusive suppliers. They work with smaller boutique brands, giving your store access to products not commonly found on larger platforms. If you want to stand out by offering unique and upscale pet products, WholesalePet.com is an excellent supplier for your store. At number 1, Chewy Dropship Program. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Chewy Dropship Program, a leader in the pet industry. What they offer? Chewy provides an extensive catalog of pet supplies, including food, grooming tools, toys, and medical-grade products. Why they're the best? With their well-established brand and high-quality products, partnering with Chewy adds credibility to your store. They also offer fast and reliable shipping across the USA. Customer trust. Pet owners already trust the Chewy brand, which can help you convert more sales with minimal effort. If you're serious about building a pet dropshipping store with top-tier products, Chewy's dropship program is the ultimate choice. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best pet dropshipping suppliers in the USA. Let's quickly recap the list. Chewy Dropship Program. Best overall for quality, trust, and reliability. WholesalePet.com. Ideal for boutique and high-end pet products. Sinky Marketplace. Perfect for variety and seamless e-commerce integration. Essential Pet Products. Great for premium pet supplies with low wholesale prices. Pet Stores USA. A reliable supplier with a vast catalog of pet essentials. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your pet dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.